start in the interest of time. Um, I think the platform is fairly intuitive, and that's why a lot of people have not signed up for the session. So what I will do is I'll just show you the platform. Should not take 1 hour. It should just take 30 minutes, and just show what are the various functionalities of the platform. So just give me a minute. I hope all of you have seen the guide that we sent last night, in which there were screenshots and everything.
Hi there.
Hello, hi Smita.
Hello, hello.
Cool. So just wanted to check if, yeah, okay. So I see responses on the chat window. So great. So what we will do today is primarily that we'll just take you through, live as to how the platform looks like, what are the various functionalities, and, if you have any questions, we'll take that towards the end. You can also type it on the chat window. So let me share my screen. Just give me a minute. So all of you in that guide and in that email would have received an AirMeet link. What we want you to do, not now, tomorrow when you join in, is, click on that link and click on it from laptops. Please don't join from mobile. Click only from the laptop and use only Chrome browser. AirMeet does not work on Internet Explorer or Firefox. So please join in from Chrome and from laptop, not mobile. Once you log in, there will be a bunch of registration steps, which we have already put in the guide, and I can, quickly show that to you. You will have to create an AirMeet account if you do not have an AirMeet account, which means, and it's pretty simple. You have to just enter AirMeet, continue with email. You put in your email ID like you create any other account. And then there's a 6-digit code that comes to your email, and you set your AirMeet password. If you already have an AirMeet account, then, you don't have to do that.
So this has
Once
to be
you
done
create,
tomorrow morning only, is it?
no, you can do the registration. You can do today.
Okay.
Yeah. You can register for the show. You can put in your name, title, organization, all of that, and keep that ready. You can continue. This entering the venue is something which you will do tomorrow, because you'll enter the venue tomorrow. If you want to test it today, you can do it. It is open. So you can do it today as well, but tomorrow definitely. So enter the venue. You will see enter the venue, and they will also ask you to enable camera and mic. So please, allow access to camera and mic. When you're doing this, if you see that there is a light version, enter through light. That means that there is a firewall restriction on your device, and hence you will not be able to view a lot of functionalities of the platform. We would recommend you to join then from your personal device. Most of the people don't see it. There are just very few companies in the official laptops where they have these firewall restrictions. So if you see a light mode, I would recommend that you join in from your personal laptop. And then tomorrow you enter the venue, you can enable your camera and mic, and then you come to the reception page. Right? Any questions just on logging in and creating an account? It is fairly intuitive, but just wanted to check if there are any questions.
No, this is fine.
I am the booth owner, so I have already logged in once. So the same
Sure.
user account will be applicable, isn't it? I don't have to recreate once tomorrow.
No. It's the same for not just for this. Any other event that you join in for AirMeet, it could be any other, conference too. It's like a Gmail ID. It is like your Facebook ID, right? So this is your AirMeet account. So your login credentials will remain the same, and even the event link, which is of the HR showcase link. As a booth owner, whatever link you have is the same link what the attendees will have.
We had a demo a couple of weeks ago. Then why the same ID is not being used in here? Why a separate one was required to be created?
That was a test link. Yeah. So that was a test link.
That is what created a confusion actually.
Yeah. So that was a test link. By that time, we had not set up all the booths, right? So we couldn't have made it live. So that was a test dummy link that we had shared.
Okay, that's fine.
And we will end that, today, once all the demos are done, we're going to end the test link so that there's no confusion. Okay, great. So on the reception page, you will see the banner, you will see which are the sessions which are upcoming. So you will know starting soon, because the first session tomorrow is inauguration at 9 a.m. So you will know what are the upcoming sessions, and you can join the session, from here. In this sticker, you will also see how do you go to the social lounge and arena as well, which is the booths. So you can also navigate from the home page. When you scroll down, you will see all our partners, which is gold partner, the corporate partner, all are, and you can click on it and you will go to their website. So these are the event partners. So this is the reception page. You also have a public chat functionality, which means whatever you type here, anyone who is in the showcase or who will enter showcase later will see it. Right. So this is the event chat. You will also see how many people are in the event. Currently 149 people are in this event page, right? And I can just see if I would want to ping anyone, right? Like Smita is here. If I want to ping, there is, one sec. I can just click on the this one, there is a chat. And when I go to chat, I can do a direct message with the person. So it is just not public chat. There is also private chat, and I can just ping the person privately too. So this is a reception page. You can do public chat, you can have private chat, you can see the event partners, and you can see the banner and all the details. Now the second one, which is the sessions, will have the entire schedule, which is 27 November and 28 November. What are all the sessions that we have? Right? Whichever session has started, once the session has started, you will see join session. You see go backstage here because I'm an organizer, but what you will see is join session, and you will only be able to join session at the session start time. So once the session has started, only then you can join a session. You can't join before the session has started. So and that's when the join session will get enabled. If you see your view right now, everything would be disabled because no session has started. Once the session starts and you know which are the sessions that interest you, you'll also know what time it is. You can join at that time and then join the session. So that's how you would do. Once you are in the session, and let me just show that as well. Right? I'm not going to start the session right now, but on the session, you have a session feed. Right? So there's a session feed on which you can type. So this is a very, in a learning session, you may want to share your perspectives, you may want to share your thoughts. So this session feed will be visible only for that session. If you have any questions, you can put it in the question and answer window, and we'll pick it up towards the end. And then you can raise a hand as well. And when you raise a hand, we will invite you on stage with the speaker. You can switch on your video and ask your question, and we will prioritize live questions. So this is how you will ask the questions. To know how many people are in the session while the session has not started, you can also see, you'll see all attendees and you will also see session attendees. There's also an emoticon icon. We would encourage you, if you like the session, you can click on the like or any emoticon that you want, and you can continue doing that. So this is how you would navigate. Once you're done with the session, you can go back to the session you would like to attend, and then come back to this, at that session time. This is how you would navigate. Right? Any questions just on learning session? How do you attend a session?
I think this is good.
Nothing for now.
Okay, great. The next one is the lounge, right? So I can, and we have tried our level best to simulate a face-to-face conference. So you can take a table and you can also do networking, because, there's a lot of networking that happens in a conference. So you can take any table, so I can this table if I want. And there is a demo that is happening, but I can do a quick, I can switch on my camera right? And I'm going to just leave the table right now because there's a conversation that's happening. But that's how you would join a table and leave a table. And you can network, do some chit chat. You can also ping up, like I said, you can do a private chat, search for an attendee who is in the showcase. So I like Smita is there, so I can just type Smita's name and privately message her and say, join me on table number 3, and and do a quick chit chat and
session.
network
Oh,
with
that's
her.
cool. That's cool. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So that's how the networking. So one is learning. We also want you to network with the HR fraternity,
Mm.
like in any conference. And our USP for HR showcases in other conferences, it has been very impersonal with a text chat. Here it is a live video chat, so you'll get to see the person. You can also switch on your camera. If you're not able to take a table, do check whether you've joined from light mode, because if you join from light mode, then you can't take a table. And that's why I said that, do join in from your personal device if you see a light mode. We will also be doing on Saturday at 11:30 and probably once or twice on Friday something called as speed networking. What that does is, when you have to, at that designated time when we tell you, uh, you have to just click on start speed networking. And what it will do is they will find my best match. And I will get paired with an unknown person, and I can speak for any, maximum up to 5 minutes. After that is done, I can move on to my next match and chit chat with that person. Right now, no one is in the social lounge. So that's why, no one has accepted it. But once we start, we'll tell everyone to start the speed networking. In 30 minutes, at least you would have interacted with 6 to 7 people. Uh,
How
so
do you know how many people are there in the lounge at a time?
there's no way to find that out because
Okay,
this is all
no problem.
attendees. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
I think only
Understood.
from the number of, people who have taken tables.
The seat.
Yeah,
Understand.
that's the
Okay, cool, cool. No problem.
great. So this is the network. Any questions on networking? So I'll just show you. Smita has taken a table, so I can demo that.
Okay, here I am. Whatever table. Okay, I've taken a table. Chalo.
Yeah. So this is how you would do it, right? I can switch on my video, and I can chit chat, with Smita and Raj.
How did you switch on your video? Okay. Yeah.
I can also on a table share my screen if I want to show something. I can also do a table chat, right? So this is how, and then I can leave a table and I can go to another table and chit chat with someone else, right? So there are 100 tables, and we would want you over the 2 days to network with multiple people. Any questions on the social lounge anyone has?
Right, madam.
Okay, great. The last one is the arena, which is the booths. There are we have about 80 plus booths, starting from our sponsors to best practices to startup to academia to CSR to COVID best practices. Today evening, we will also have a search functionality enabled. So you can also search for a booth. Currently, you don't see it, but today evening it will get enabled. You can search, and then you can, whichever booth, suppose you want to click on ICICI. You can play the video, you can see the banner, you can go to their website and social media pages. You can also download their resources, or if there's a video, whatever, you can view their resources. And if you want, you can take a table. So we have told all booth owners also to be there at the table. So you will know who has joined the table. And if there is a ICICI person at the table, you'll know by the designation. You can join the table and speak to the person, and the person will talk about the company and the practice. Again, this is going to be live video interaction. Tables are up to 4. You see 4 chairs on each table, but it can be expanded up to 8. Automatically, it will get expanded. So this is how you would interact with the booth owners. Once I'm done with ICICI, I click back on Arena. I go to another booth. Suppose I want to go to AstraZeneca. Then I will just go, I'll play the video. I see there's a person who is there already. I can take, I can join a table and again interact with the person and then leave the table. Right?
How do you know that there is a person?
Here, you will see
Ah,
the,
yeah, I can see it.
you'll know, and you will
Somebody's
also
at the
know,
table, right? Somebody's
yeah,
sitting at the table.
from the designation, you'll also know whether the person is from the company or from other company. So I saw AstraZeneca, I know this person is from the company, can tell me about this practice.
Hmm.
So this is how you would go. Again, I go back to Arena. I
Actually,
can-
even if I press the camera is not coming on. There is some problem, I think.
okay,
That
let's
must be at
just
my
try.
end. That must be at my end.
Yeah.
I'll have to check.
You've not logged in from light mode, right?
Where would the light mode come up?
When you enter the venue, did you see
Yeah.
enter through light mode?
No, I
Okay.
entered normal.
Okay. Then we'll just check it later, Smita.
I'll check it later. Yeah, I'll check it.
If you're still seeing it, then we'll just get that checked.
Yeah.
You can also do a table chat. You can share your screen. You know, you will not share screen. The company representative who's there will share the screen. So this is how you know you will anyone who is seen the booths will know more about the practice. And then I leave the table.
I have a quick question
So
on this.
sure.
My booth is quite down. And when will somebody actually come into the booth?
No, so this I told you right on top we will have these 4 tags like drop downs. It's still not got enabled. It will get enabled today night. So you will have sponsor, HR best practice, CSR, academia. So person just needs to click on academia and only academia booths will come. The person will click on CSR, only CSR booths would come.
Ah, okay.
That is getting that functionality is going live on Adme today evening. So that's why you don't see it here.
Yeah, I thought otherwise it's quite at the end. Why will somebody come and occupy the table there in that booth?
Yeah, and you know what? Yeah, so you know the search one would help. Also, they can, I think, and I can confirm that they can also search by name. So this is how you would do. You can do table chat. You can do private chat. We will not recommend too much of public. You know, well, you know you can. No one's stopping, but. Just be mindful, you know, not having spam on the public chat because you know there will be a lot of people there. All attendees will be able to view the public chat. So that's it. If you have any difficulties or any challenge or anything, there's a help icon here. You can just click on it. Any tech issues, you can just click here and there is a support or 24/7 support and they'll be able to help you out. If you get, you know, if you're not able to log in or not able to see Arena, Lounge, session, anything, then you can just, you know, click on the help icon. This is primarily for tech issues. Right? Any other questions? So yeah, this is primarily the demo. I have already shared, you know, we've already shared the guide, which has all these functionalities and screenshots. We're also going to be uploading this guide on our website. So if you've not got it, you can also take it from the website. But everything here, also all the practice names, which are the companies participating. Also, we have 2 contests. And we encourage you to, you know, tweet with hashtag HR Showcase 2020. And you know, top 3 will get some vouchers. And similarly, each session, at the end of each session, we are going to give a prize for the best question asked. So these are 2 contests that we are running, you know, for the 2 days, and we'll announce the winners of the speaker one at the end of the session and the Twitter one in the award ceremony. So this is primarily it from a demo standpoint, but just wanted to check, are there any questions anyone has? Is there comfort on the platform? You can check your access and everything today itself. Again, just reiterating, Chrome browser and laptop.
Yes.
Any other questions anyone has?
No, this is fine. It works fine for me.
Great. Anyone else? Any questions? Do encourage your teams, anyone in your network. It's open for all. You can just share this link to also join in. It's there from tomorrow morning. We start at 9 a.m. and it goes on till 4 p.m. on Saturday. So do encourage, you know, just pass on the word and spread this in your network.
Hey Nikita,
Yeah.
and hello everyone.
Hi.
Hey Nikita, so I just wanted to ask anything regarding volunteers over here, or do they need to take any special instructions on this platform of how to navigate,
You
or
are a volunteer of?
of sorry, but we have not got the perfect information yet, because I just got a registration link to get registered in the Zoom. And then I got a message today and was added in the HR Showcase 2020 group of coordinators. So Arun Kumar has texted me.
Okay, you can probably just reach out to him. I'm not, sure about what responsibility you have, but everyone has the same link. Be it a booth owner or a volunteer or attendee, everyone has the same link. Only speakers have unique links. Otherwise, everyone logs in from the same link.
Okay. Because on the sheet it said I need to put in my name where in the website registration was written.
Yeah. Why don't you just check with Arun?
Okay,
He'll be able to
I'll
clarify.
check that.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you, Nikita.
Any other questions anyone has?
Hi, Nikita.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, Uma here from
Yeah,
Step
hi,
One.
Uma. Hi, Uma.
Yeah. Thanks for this platform and this session, demo session. I think it is helping out as a orientation. And my question is, the same login which we use in the primary link, the AirMeet one, which your team shared us, that will do for all the representatives from the organization who would like to
Everyone has the same link except the
same
speakers.
link.
Everyone has the same link.
Okay. Can we also add any content that is the presentation is going to be the recorded one that we are going to play in our booths, or it's going to be live? That point I'm not very clear with.
You're a booth owner, Uma.
Right.
Yeah. So you have already sent in your documents, which we have uploaded on the booth. We have uploaded the videos and logos and all of that. But when
Yeah.
you do presentation on the table, and I showed that table view, you can show whatever you want, right? It's like a Zoom presentation, any presentation. You can share your screen and show whatever. Those resources are primarily like a handout in a face-to-face construct. Here, if you want to show something else, you have the full flexibility to show whatever you want to people who come to your booths.
Okay. So will we be notified of anyone trying to visit our booths? Like
You can see it. You can see it, right? There'll be no notification. That's why we recommend that there are at least 2 or 3 people at the booth always. And you can rotate, responsibilities so that there is no fatigue. But here, when you look at, and if I don't know which one was that. There was, see here, I know that someone has taken a table. So someone has joined. This is how you will know at the table. There'll be no notification. You'll know from, whether a person has joined or not. Table 3 is empty, table 1 is empty, but table 2 has 1 person. That's how you'll find out.
Okay. As we get into, we keep checking because I mean, not. I was thinking if some other team members could also join this demo session, but however, it seems to be kind of self-explanatory upon exploring. But still, your inputs play a good role here. Just in case, is this video whatever you're going to demo? Your demo.
Hello.
I think she dropped off.
Yeah.
That.
Any other questions?
Why do you have the first one as reserved for jury? Is it the same for all the booths, or is it only for
Yes.
this particular one?
For all booths.
For all
For all
booths, so that the jury knows which table to take when they come for the presentation.
Okay.
See, in a face-to-face is much easier. In a virtual thing, you have to just make it more explicit.
Okay. So we have to keep viewing the screen to understand if somebody has occupied the table or not. Is what is the key here.
And
The booth has
what
to
I
be
would,
manned by constantly looking into the screen.
No, so you can take a table, so people will know. So you don't have to wait for some attendee to join a table. That's what we've recommended, that 2 or 3 people can sit at a table. Attendees will know. See, when attendees don't see anyone at the booth, then no one will take a table too.
So they won't enter.
So,
Is it? Okay.
so that's why we recommend 2 to 3
good point.
people to take.
Okay.
Any other question anyone has?
Yeah, Nikita, I was trying to find out if this recording is possible to get either emailed or uploaded in your site until, yes, it's a new attempt that we are getting into this virtual platform entirely for 2 days. It's a good opportunity at this time. Yet we would appreciate if you could share
Yeah,
this
we
so
can do
people,
it.
yeah,
We'll
who
do it.
could
What?
miss.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
yeah, obviously we cannot do demos tomorrow while the sessions are on. It'd be very
right.
difficult, but yeah, it's a great idea. What we'll do, and Avinash and Nisha, if you can just download it today and upload it, we'll share that link with people.
That's really great that you have accommodated our request. So it's highly helpful for those who missed it and need not search tomorrow and explore. We can try to
Yeah.
get on action.
Yeah.
Thank you, Nikita.
We will
Look
share
forward.
the recording, and if you don't get, please do check your spams. And sometimes it goes, some of those emails go there, so we'll probably send it. Otherwise, I think the easier option is tomorrow on the chat window we'll put the link, so that it's just easier to locate it.
Sure.
Nikita, is there a specific jury time for the different booths when the jury, or would we be informed in advance?
Yeah, so there's a slot, and you can reach out to the your respective Spocks for that. There's a range. There will not be an exact time. There's a range that has been given, which is tomorrow afternoon. You can reach out to
Okay.
your specific category POCs, and they'll let you
Sure.
know the time.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
So in that case, when there is at least a range for the jury, so if the first table is reserved for the jury, then we should ideally not be there until a jury comes in, is it?
Yeah,
We should not occupy that table.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
In that range, yes. Before that range, after that range, it's fine. Any other questions anyone has? But we will record it because I understand it's a new platform. What we will also do in these live, sessions, whoever is hosting it, they will also do just in 2-3 minutes, just talk about all the functionalities. And this link where it gets uploaded, we will put it on the chat tomorrow, as soon as we start, so that, you have a view of it. Or probably before that as well. As soon as it's ready, we'll put it on the chat window of AirMeet. Great. Any other questions? Cool. If there are any further questions, specifically you get stuck on the text side, please click on that help icon. That's the fastest way to get some tech support. And otherwise, you have your respective Spocks. Some of your attendees as well. It's not just for the booth owners. Someone asked me that question. It's just not for them. It's for anyone who's attending it. Everyone has the same link. So if someone from your team has not got a link, you can forward the same link to them. It will work. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks, everyone, and see you all tomorrow. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you, team. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Manu.